Another challenge naman tayo. This is what we called Love Team Song Bets. Based sa song mo, sa mga songs mo. Ayan. How about Kim Pao? Kim Chu and Paolo.
Ito, gusto kong gawa ng kanta. Hindi siya, wala pa akong nag-exist na song for this. Parang sana tayo na lang dalawa. Ganyan.
Wow! As a Kim Pao fan.
Parang kanta na lang may unison. Tayo na lang dalawa. Tayo na lang magsama. Tayo na lang dalawa. Ibahin natin yung title.
Ibahin natin, pero ganun din yung ano.
Ang cute. In fairness, sobrang cute nila. Yung mga nakikita kong clips online. Sumasabog yung utak ko. Bakit ganun? Sobrang bagay nila. Sobrang bagay nilang dalawa.
May something talaga na kahit hanggang ngayon.
May magic.
Yeah,
magic silang dalawa. I love it. Gusto ko yung kulit ni Kim doon. Pero ang ganda. Cute nilang physically parang din parang ang cute nilang dalawa tingnan talaga.
Sama Sana sila.
Kanta. Kasi ginaya natin yung mayonnaise Dapat iba.
Sa song mo.
Ito. Siguro parang kung gagawa akong kanta for them. Sana tayong dalawa hanggang sa huli.
Uy, wow. Iba.
Dinugtungan ko yung kanta ng mayonnaise. Sana tayo na lang dalawa hanggang sa huli.
Sa upcoming movie nila, yun yung grabe, perfect.
Cute nila. Parang feeling ko yung mga fans din nila, ganun din yung prayer. Kasi parang kilig na sila Sobrang ingay nila sa sa FYP ko.
Yeah, even me. Talagang grabe din talaga yung smash talaga ng fever nila.
Balik kayo doon sa question ngayon. And then, nasa likod ninyo are your fans. And then, our photographers will be on stage. Let's go. Let's go to, go back doon sa ating couch. And may we invite our photographers to be here on stage. Oh, ready na kayo! Kasama kayo sa photo! Yes, pwede nakatayo, pwede nakaupo. But si Kim sa si Pao nakatayo. Mas maganda na nakatayo sila. Yan, ang ganda. Yan, perfect. Yung may mga banner po, huwag masyado mataas, may mga tao sa likod. Ayan. Ayan, tama lang yung ganyan. Yan. Kita naman kayo lahat, don't worry. It's a wide shot. Okay. Okay, tama na yan ha. Let's just keep it right there. Okay na kayo sa frame. Okay na yan. Okay, look at the center. Ready? 1, 2. One more. Wacky. 1, 2, yay! Oh, jump shot. Charing lang. Are we good? Are we good with the shot? One more for safety. Ready. 1, 2. Okay, isa lang daw for video. I love you. Okay, ready? Sabay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Maraming salamat po. That's it. The View original adaptation, What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, is a partnership project of View Philippines and ABS-CBN Studios, produced by Dreams Inc. Entertainment, and directed by Direct Chad Vidanis, Kim, Pao, Franco, Jillian, Brian, Pepe, Kat. Maraming salamat, Franco. Thank you very much. To the fans, thank you! Maraming salamat for coming! Can we ask the production team and the cast to go on stage for one team photo? Alright, may we ask the cast again up on stage? Kasama ang buong team ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim for one team photo. Again, streaming na po this March 18, 2024 exclusively on View. Kaya make sure to tell your friends and download the View app para sabay-sabay nating ma-witness ang umaapaw na chemistry ni BMC and Secretary Kim. Alam na natin na libre manood ng View, but if you want to enjoy early access to the episodes, just like we did today, get the 3-month View Premium subscription for only $349 pesos. Okay, Kim and Paolo are just signing a few streamers and tarps. Thank you very much sa lahat ng mga fans. Careful, careful. Meron ng mga glasses, may tables, baka tumapapol. Careful, careful. Okay, so ito na po up on stage, the whole team of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Let's just wait for Kim and Paolo to join. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Sige. Can we ask Kylie and Rondell to join the ABS-CBN team, please? Can we also ask the promo team of Dreamscape to join? Shieldred, Mike, please join. Atras tayo mga putok. O sige, atras din ako. Okay, look at the center. Ready? Grabe na. 1, 2. There you have it. Maraming salamat. The whole team of the What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Thank you all for coming. Thank you to the cast. Thank you to View. Thank you to Dreamscape. Thank you to ABS-CBN Studios. And best of all, thank you sa lahat ng fans na nandito ngayon. Maraming salamat for coming. And manood tayong lahat, starting po. Jay Felipe, maraming salamat po. Good night, everybody!
Thank you, Kim!
Thank you, Kim. Thank you, Pao. Maraming salamat.
What we're doing. Yeah, thank you so much.
Alright, now that we're done with the screening, we're taking one last surprise. Dahil we're doing a raffle. Ayan! Ano ang prize? Our raffle winner will get to take home the specially produced plushie, si Cara Bay!
Si Giant Cara Bay yung paparaffle mo?
Oh yes! Let's go up on stage, Kim, Pao, please.
Grabe. Hindi ko igoro na alam ko anong grupo ko. Hindi ko napadaan lang ako na yung gano'n.
Alright, so we're raffling off Cara Bay. Okay, so sino kaya ang luckiest family na mag-uwi nito today? Asa ang ating raffle? Ayan. Okay, so pabulogin na isa lang, alright? Just one! Just one. Sino kaya ang maswerteng mananalo?
Sino may gusto kay Cara Bay?
Eto na. Paolo has it. Sorry.
Nanalo si Ate Heidi. So,
Ate Heidi, so i-donate na lang namin. Bakit
Ate
naman si
Heidi.
Ate Heidi?
Everyone kasi is listed.
Imelda Bina. Panagics man.
Oh my God! Come here! Imelda! Halika, come over
Parang
here!
mas mabigat pa po si
uuwi. Panahali natin sa si Nanay Imelda.